Do you know that you can use Nano Banana Pro completely free, directly from a website? Yes, you heard that right. You can run Nano Banana Pro online at zero cost and generate unlimited photos without any restrictions. No downloads, no payments, no limits, 100% free. First, open Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Felo and press search. Now click on the first website that appears in the results. After the website opens, tap on Login and sign in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, click on the Image option. Here I enter my image prompt exactly the way I want my image to look. After that, tap on Generate Image. Within a few moments, this website creates a photo for me automatically. Now click on the Download option and your image will start downloading. Look at this. This is the final image the website generated. Subscribe to our channel to learn more free AI tools like this one. Thanks for watching.